Hello. It is another hot day, so we have another treat, and today we're doing a cherry one. So we have some cherry jello that I'm gonna slice. We have, you took my phone, or camera. We have some pre-cooked tapioca pearls that Simeon cooked for us. Okay, can you cut this into squares? Just kind of small, like that big, both directions. And then we have a can of sweetened condensed milk that someone popped open and set in my fridge. So hopefully it doesn't taste like a can. That's what started this. I'm gonna wipe it off. I wanted something different to use sweetened condensed milk with.
And we used 2 packets of Jello for our Jello.
Yes.
Same kind we used last night.
No, it's cherry Jello.
I'll
link the Jellos that we use. They're not perfect, but they have no dye. It's colored with vegetable juice. We used it yesterday in our... Can you get me... Oh, he's got our spatula. We used it yesterday in our strawberry Jello. Here, I'll get it. You already cut those. Wow, you're fast.
I scraped this out, Mom.
Not yet.
Mine, and then I just put all the spatula to scrape out from my house.
I can think in a straight line.
I like the spatula.
Okay. The gelatin. We used that yesterday in our strawberry Jello mixture. This is a knockoff of Sago. I guess that's how you pronounce it. I'm not sure. S-A-G-O. And we love cows. We love cows. But we love tapioca.
Mommy likes cows better than me. And I like cows better. I like milk better than cows.
You like milk better than cows?
Yep.
I like them both just as much, but differently. Alright, so we love tapioca. Also, I ordered a 50-pound bag of it, so I want to use it a lot before it's gone. And I didn't want to just have tapioca pudding. Sago is not the same as tapioca pearls, I learned last night. Okay, please don't interrupt. I'll ask you questions. But, so it's a little stickier. It will clump together a little bit more than the Sago pearls will. But I still think it's fine. I want to add that last because I want to make sure that tapioca pudding right now. Alright, I'm going to dump in these cherries. Sago, you typically... Yes. Well, I'm going to let him. Just put them all in.
And then I'll stir them in.
Typically, Sago has... Wait. You can both stir. Ice cubes.
I'll stir it first.
I think that's kind of weird. It's probably fine, but I don't want to eat like a dessert with chunks of ice cubes, so I figured frozen cherries is a good option. Alright, Tom's turn to stir.
Yep. Here you go.
Okay, go see if they can find a sweetened condensed milk real quick.
Okay, I think I know where one is. I think I know where lost is.
Do you?
Yeah, I'll show you.
You want to go look?
Yeah. I'll get some.
I only need one.
Okay. I'll get one.
So this is really nowhere near traditional. The ones that I see are more soupy than I'm going to go with this. And also the pearls. But it's typically the Sago pearls, a gel, which is probably not gelatin but agar. You should bring one of those over here so I can show. Just don't get close to the food. If you come right here in front of the camera, then it won't be close to the food. Poor little buddy. Is it in focus?
I think it's coconut.
That's fine, bring it. Let me see it.
I think it's big.
You want to throw that away, bud? Off the table with your feet.
Okay.
I wanted to read it before we opened it. We're just going to use it now. So this is a toasted coconut topping. I wasn't sure if I was going to use it, but I'm using it because now it's open. So, that should be fine. Kind of matches that it would be a little coconutty.
I want to use it.
It's sugared
Can I look it out?
and coconut oil. Honey, you're right in front of the camera. I don't want you looking this out because that's cans are sharp.
No, that's...
Hold on, I'm going to stir it now. My turn, right?
Wait, okay, stir for a second and then Simeon, Azariah is going to stir.
I taste them too.
We bought these from Azure quite a long time ago. A year ago, probably. And in a minute. This isn't wetting the mixture as much as I'd like. Mac, do you want to get me some milk? Almost. Let's count to 10. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, it's Azariah's turn.
It's my turn.
No, you can't yet.
Joelle.
All right, come off to the side so that people can... I've never made anything like this. I hope we like it.
Could I pour it in?
Yes, but I go slow.
How much?
Mom, can I use it?
Nope, you need a spoon. All right, stop there. Let's see what that looks like.
Can I use it? Guys,
Okay, actually add a little bit more.
Okay.
I wasn't sure that milk
We're
was
not
actually
making
mixed
it
in.
the same way. No, I think we can make it the proper way.
That's good.
like,
Cherry?
cherry.
Yeah.
Good.
Okay, so we're gonna put it in my
Can I
bowl.
put it in?
Wait a second. So this is the consistency of it. It's not so stringy anymore.
I can't find food. So can I use it?
I can't decide if this is gonna be great or just super weird.
So could I use this? Hey, you have to do it without me.
I did?
I asked you if I could do it.
Well, you can stir it in. And then we're gonna dump it back in there. So it has a lid. Don't make pieces too small. Just stir it and be done.
Can I do it now? Can I do it one more time, Mom?
Yeah, just wait a minute.
Yes.
So we're just looking for nice, cold, fruity things that we can eat this summer to help it not be so hot. Yeah?
I might eat some right now.
Well, you got to get a bowl and a spoon, and then I'll let you eat whatever you want of it.
I want to.
You want to have some?
Will you give me and you a bowl and a spoon?
Okay, I'm going to let him scrape it into the pot,
Okay.
and you go get spoons and bowls.
All right. Okay, one for me.
Go kind of slow because we don't want to spill it.
Isn't that so pretty?
It is pretty.
Um,
Wait till you have a spoon, please.
kind of. Oh, please. It tastes like that. I didn't taste any cherry.
You didn't taste cherry?
Yeah,
You will soon.
that's fine. There's some cherry. There goes a piece of celery. That's it. We might leave some in there.
It's kind of cherry coconut.
Yep.
Oh, Judah's ready. Okay, can I scrape it?
You want some, Mom?
Yes, please.
Can I get some?
All right.
All right, Mom's turn.
There's the spoon.
Yeah, I added a little bit more.
All right, you can't be on that side because that's the camera
Yeah,
side.
one for me. Yeah.
No, this is for Mom.
Which one's for me?
I'll let you have
This
mine.
one's for me.
Which one's for me?
I didn't
What made
get
it
to-
brown?
Toasted coconut topping.
No, I thought I was gonna ask if it was coffee, even though I
They
knew it
went to
wasn't.
look for another sweetened condensed milk and came back with that, and it got open before I looked at it. So, I mean, I knew what it was, but I wanted to read the ingredients. Okay, I don't have an actual spoon to scoop this with, so hopefully I get a little bit of everything. Pull your spoon out, please. Sim, you're in the wrong spot again.
Will you get me a spoon, a bone spoon?
I'm gonna stop there so you can tell me if it's good, bad, or ugly. Take your spoon.
Oh, I've already tried it on accident. Got some on my finger.
Tell me if it's any good. All right, sit on your bench, please.
Do I get any?
Yep. What say you, Judah? You could say
Good and ugly.
good and ugly.
Ugly in taste or ugly in looks.
It tastes good.
It tastes good, but it looks ugly? Ah.
Good?
So would you eat it again if I made it again?
Yeah.
Kind of gross.
Kind of gross?
It tastes good and it's kind of...
That one's
Which
for
one?
you.
That one's for me.
Got you one. So the pink matches your shirt, and that's your favorite color. So
Least. Oops. Just spilled.
The tapioca in it turned out better.
Me too.
Me too.
you turned out better
Tell me what you think. Will, do you want to come try it?
because it looks like tapioca pudding. It makes me think that it's warm, even though I know it's not.
Yeah. We don't always eat it warm.
Most of the time.
That's good. I like that.
Yeah.
I'm actually glad we put the coconut in.
Mhm.
Judah's getting more, so it must be really all right.
It fits.
Only give me a little bit.
Well, what if you didn't like it?
Yeah, I like the coconut.
Hmm?
I really like that. It's nice to have a cold treat.
Yep. Potato.
For some reason, the tapioca cooked faster in water that doesn't milk.
I like hot drink.
Milk is thicker, and so it takes longer to penetrate, and the more it finishes down.
What is it?
I also almost cooked it in hibiscus tea. I think that would have been really good. It would have been pretty too.
You do a hibiscus rose one with vanilla. That'd be good.
Do you want to try this, Nay? You can
I
use
know.
mine.
She's getting a bowl.
I know what we can make. Tapioca pudding with those cherries. Lots of cherries. So good.
I don't
That would be so good.
like the frozen cherries.
They're not really
They're not
frozen
really
anymore.
now.
Tell me if it's good, bad, or ugly.
Good bad.
Good, bad.
I don't know if it's up.
Good
I just
bad.
got a really cold
ugly.
cherry. That was really cold in my teeth.
You want more, Simeon?
They kind of look like willy pudding. It looks like penguin.
Good. I like the tapioca.
I think next time I would
Turned
still
out
make
better
it
than
in
I
milk
thought.
just to increase the protein. But
Weird.
have it cold like this.
You don't like the tapioca?
I think it's
I love tapioca.
I've seen people make peach ones, too.
That would be so
That
good.
was so good.
It gets better.
Oh, you didn't like it at first.
Yeah, I didn't like the coconut.
I think I would eat it any day. Might get sick of it being a cherry, but you can change that up pretty easy.
Oh yeah, strawberry, peach, so many kinds.
Peaches sound
I
good.
see a lot of people make strawberry versions with strawberry milk.
Too late now. You like
We
I would
should.
also make more Jello for this. Make of a
down there,
batch.
Mama?
Yeah.
Can you get it? It's under
I
that.
didn't get any Jello in mine.
Did you not?
No,
Oh,
it was
sorry.
good. No, it's fine. I mean, it was good without it. But
Search
yeah,
for one.
It wasn't.
Okay, that's a lot. Is that all right? I wasn't paying attention.
It would also be good to make a coffee version. Not that we could do that all the time, but
I don't really know about that.
I was thinking like boba tea. You know, we do coffee.
You
boba
need to
tea.
make pan cotta
Jello.
or panna
Yeah.
cotta on
Tastes
your.
like Jello.
You get Jello this time.
I
I'm
made
making
a
a mess.
coffee cardamom panna cotta. That was good.
I do like.
Oh, is that
cream
cardamom?
pie.
I don't remember that part.
Yeah, there's like 15.
Okay, so most of the Jello was deeper in.
Get that Jello.
No, I'm not hunting out Jello.
Probably
Got
just
that
bigger and
Jello.
heavier. It's sunk to the bottom.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. We'll see you next time.